Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Beat. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Beat itself and everything else included. The Nexus Beat is a vibrator for intense P-spot stimulation. You can control this vibrator using the buttons at the bottom of the toy here, or you can make it even more exciting and hand the remote control to your partner. The remote control has a range of approximately 8 meters. The Nexus Beat comes equipped with 6 vibration settings and 6 pulsating settings. It also has some ribbing on the toy as well for wonderful external stimulation. In total, this vibrator has 48 different combinations and it's also made of a body-safe silicone material to provide extra comfortable and realistic feeling. As you can see, it's also got a curved shaft just here, which will effortlessly find your P-spot for wonderful stimulation. The Beat is fully waterproof, so it's safe to use in the bathtub or shower for extra fun sensations as well. To turn on, push and hold on the bottom button like so. Release and a green button will show. Press once more and the vibrations begin. Press the same button to change the vibration settings. To use the pulsating settings, use the button at the top and the pulsating settings begin. To change the settings, push the same button and find your perfect combination. To use the remote control, it's the same principle. Use the on and off button just here. The Nexus Beat will stop. You can use the left button for the pulsating settings or the right button for the vibrations. To turn off, simply press the power button just there and it's now off. The green button is still on, so to turn off the toy, push and hold down on the bottom button and it's now off. To charge, it's very simple and easy to do using your magnetic USB charging cable. Attach the two together like so and it will charge for you. Also included is a Nexus Beat luxury toy bag to pop your Beat in, and a user manual as well with tips, tricks and information on how to use the Beat if you get stuck. When using the Nexus Beat, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Nexus Beat. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.